once told me yesterday that when you shove your love away, you act as if you just don't care. You look as if you're going somewhere. Open up my ears.
What's up, awesome friends? I'm wearing this Sinag skateboard wood sunglasses from Carpet Gem Concepts, and this Seize the Day Sweet Cane shirt. So it's been a while since naka-upload tayo ng live vlog kasi medyo nag-focus tayo sa pag-create ng car vlog saka moto vlog. So if you haven't watched them already, check out my other videos, The Average Car Guy and The Average Rider. So we're here sa isang napakagandang spot dito sa town namin. Around 5 minutes to 10 minutes from our house. Napakagandang rock formation by the beach. At along the highway lang siya. Hirap mag-set up. Saan na ako? Ganda ng setup natin, no? So pag agree ka, pakilike mo naman yung video na to. So gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, na-enjoy ko naman yung paggawa ng mga car vlogs saka moto vlogs. Pero in terms of content, ito talaga yung pinaka gusto kong gawin sa channel na to. Ever since 2016, when I was still contemplating on vlogging, ito talaga yung naisip kong content, yung merong laman, yung merong message, merong values, merong life lessons na matututunan. Siyempre from my personal experience, and sa experiences na rin ng ibang tao like my friends and families or from true stories. Yung my life lesson, sentimental, at the same time meron ding entertainment value, saka humor. Sa mga taong nakakilala sa akin, alam nilang I'm a sentimental guy, pero I'm also crazy. I'm also as crazy as anyone can be. Makulit din ako, malikot yung pag-iisip. People close to me know that I can be a bitch, and I'm a lover, I'm a child and a father, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint, but I don't feel ashamed. I'm your hell, I'm your dream, but I'm definitely nothing in between, and I wouldn't want it any other way.
I'm a bit of everything, all rolled into one. I'm a man, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a father, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I do not feel ashamed. I'm your hell, I'm your dream, I'm nothing in between. You know you wouldn't want it any other way.
So as much as possible, yun yung gusto kong gawin sa vlog na to. Pero I admit na mahirap din kasing ilabas yun naturally. Kasi hindi ako sanay talking in front of a camera, or in this case yung cellphone, na ako lang. Iba pa rin talaga yung spontaneous na nangyayari, spontaneous yung conversation. May mga bagay na lumalabas na lang bigla na maganda or pangit din. Pero in real life hindi mo naman kasi may edit yung mga yun eh. So ito na nga. Last year during this time, I was with high hopes na sana after a year, maging okay na lahat, babalik na yung normal or magkakaroon na tayo ng better normal. Pero parang it has gotten worse naman. Mas dumami yung cases, yung variants ng virus, and then nawalan ng takot at disiplina yung mga tao, and which at some point naiintindihan naman natin kasi meron tayong tinatawag na pandemic fatigue. Napagod yung katawan natin, yung isip natin, yung kaluluwa natin na ma-lockdown or ma-quarantine, na walang freedom para makalabas, na walang freedom para makipag-socialize. Because as humans are flawed when we are not free. We are flawed when we don't have our freedom. There's this great neediness na lumabas at makipag-socialize, to meet other people, to be with our friends, to be with our families, to go home. Lalo na yung mga nawali sa mga mahal nila sa buhay for a long time. So yun yung pandemic fatigue. Yun na rin siguro yung isang reason kung bakit lumalabas na yung karamihan ng mga tao, and we can't blame them. Pero please, if you go out, please be responsible and please make sure na safe kayo. Practice nyo pa rin religiously yung mga health protocols na pinapatupad with the same fear, caution, vigilance when this pandemic started. So yes, this has been a very challenging year, pero ganun naman talagang buhay, di ba? Punong-puno ng ups and downs, and kadalasan nga mas marami pa yung downs kaysa ups. Hindi mo talaga maiwasang madapa sa buhay eh. Pero pag nadapa ka, bangon agad. Pag unat, bangon agad. Tuloy agad. Don't stay too long on the ground. Get back up. Keep moving forward. Keep pushing forward. Pwede nating ihalin tulad na ang buhay parang boksingero sa ring. So hindi pwedeng mabilis ka lang sumuntok o malakas yung suntok mo o marami kang kombinasyon o magaling at mabilis kang umilag. Pinaka-importante dyan ay yung tibay mo, yung kakayanan mo para tumanggap ng mga suntok, yung kakayanan mo para tumanggap ng mga suntok na mas malakas sa'yo. And I'm telling you, ready or not, life will knock you down really hard. Life will knock you down a lot of times. Sunod-sunod na suntok, patutumbayin ka ng ilang beses, and sometimes it's not even gonna give you a chance to come back up. Pero what do? Get back up. Tayo lang. Laban lang. So whatever it is that you're going through right now, get back up and be a champion boxer like Manny Pacquiao. Bigyan mo ng magandang kombinasyon ng patience, perseverance, prayer, and maging matatag sa mga suntok na ibibigay sa'yo. If you get knocked down, don't give up. Bangon ulit. Laban ulit. Sabi nga ng isang Japanese proverb na nakarobi Yaoki, fall 7 times, stand up 8. This is RJ Mr. Brightside saying, Carpe diem, seize the day, live your life to the fullest, and inspire others to do the same. I'm out. This is my last vlog Thank you for your support and thank you for watching my previous videos. Yes, my awesome friends, this will be my last vlog. Last vlog for this month. See you again next week. So maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
But I just can't convince myself I couldn't live with no one else, and I can only play that part and sit and nurse my broken heart. So lonely, so lonely, so lonely, so lonely, so lonely, so lonely, so lonely. Now no one's knocked upon my